Shaikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, also known as Abdul Qadir al-Jilani or simply as Ghaus-e-Azam, the Greatest Helper, was a prominent Islamic scholar, Sufi mystic, and the founder of the Qadiriya order. Born in 1077 CE in the Iranian province of Gilan, hence the name Jilani, he lived during the Seljuk Empire and is considered one of the most influential saints in Islamic history. Early life: Abdul Qadir Jilani was born into a devout Muslim family. His father, Abu Salih Musa al-Hassani, was a respected scholar and descendant of Prophet Muhammad. At an early age, Abdul Qadir showed exceptional intelligence and a deep inclination towards spirituality. He received his initial education from his father and later pursued advanced Islamic studies in Baghdad, the center of learning at that time. Spiritual journey: during his time in Baghdad, Abdul Qadir Jilani sought spiritual guidance and embarked on a quest for knowledge and enlightenment. He studied under renowned scholars of his time, mastering various disciplines of Islamic sciences, including Quranic exegesis, Hadith prophetic traditions, fiqh jurisprudence, and Islamic philosophy. Meeting with Sheikh Hamad al-Dabba: one of the significant events in Abdul Qadir Jilani's life was his encounter with Sheikh Hamad al-Dabba, a renowned Sufi master. Hamad al-Dabba recognized the immense spiritual potential in Abdul Qadir and became his mentor, guiding him on the path of Sufism and initiating him into the spiritual practices of the Qadiriya order. Establishment of the Qadiriya order: after years of spiritual training and intense devotion, Abdul Qadir Jilani established the Qadiriya order, a Sufi order known for its emphasis on spiritual purification, love for God, and service to humanity. The order quickly gained popularity and attracted numerous disciples from different parts of the Muslim world. Teachings and influence: Shaikh Abdul Qadir Jilani emphasized the importance of connecting with the divine through inner purification and spiritual discipline. His teachings focused on seeking a direct and intimate relationship with God, emphasizing the unity of existence and the importance of love, compassion, and humility. Abdul Qadir Jilani's spiritual influence extended far and wide, with his disciples spreading his teachings across the Muslim world. His works, particularly the Futuh al-Ghaib, Revelations of the Unseen, and Gunyat al-Talibin, Wealth for Seekers, became renowned literary contributions to Islamic spirituality. Legacy and death: Shaikh Abdul Qadir Jilani passed away in 1166 CE in Baghdad. His mausoleum, located in Baghdad, remains a significant pilgrimage site for Muslims, attracting devotees from all over the world. The Qadiriya order, established by him, continues to thrive and has become one of the largest Sufi orders globally, with followers in various countries. Abdul Qadir Jilani's teachings and spiritual practices have had a lasting impact on the development of Sufism, Islamic spirituality, and the lives of countless individuals seeking a deeper connection with God. His teachings continue to inspire and guide people on the path of spiritual growth and inner transformation.